Yes, Mr. Ignacio finished the distribution. Palakpakan niyo naman po sa Mr. Ignacio. Kita sa puso niya, pero takbo pa niya takbo. And we would like to thank Any Pacific Mall. Congratulations, Any Pacific Mall. Ano po po the owner and the mall manager. Thank you for all the support. We've been doing this for the past 8 years, and Any Pacific Mall, we love you so much. I love you so much. But we have only 16 on my list. So kahit hindi ko kayo matawag, photoshoot kayo, you are part of Images family. So here they are. In no particular order, ladies and gentlemen, let's start with candidate number 2, Mr. Ken Benito Marquez. Candidate number 9, Mr. Artin Anthony Cayetano. Candidate number 17, Mr. Alexis Jose. Candidate number 6, Mr. John Larry Quinn. Candidate number 10, Mr. Josh Bustillo. Candidate number 13, Mr. Marvin Vasquez. Candidate 246, I have 2 on my list. Candidate number 1, Mr. Marvin. And the last, candidate number 7, Mr. for the ladies. First on my list, candidate number 6, Mr. Richard Alvarez. Candidate number 8, Mr. Lilian Santos. Candidate number 9, Mr. Tamar Kuya. Candidate number 10, Mr. Jason Perez. Candidate number 2, Mr. Rachel Angiolico. So I still have 3 names on my list. Candidate number 10, Mr. Jason Perez. Candidate number 13, Mr. Angelina Cruz. Candidate number 16, Mr. Clarence Cruz. And then the last number, candidate number 17, Mr. Clarence J. Silva. Okay, all the 8 candidates, congratulations. And for those who didn't make it, you will be part of Images, and some of you will be up on the pages. So congratulations, and they will be joining us later. So thank you so much, candidate. I'll see you later. You can now wear your private choice collection backstage. Thank you so much. Chili Chancers.